Hi, David here at Tough Tractors. It's a Mitsubishi MT2501D. It's a 30 horsepower 4-cylinder diesel, which most larger diesels are 3-cylinder. This is a 4-cylinder diesel, smooth running, sounds real good, really nice shape. Shown with the optional J-bar box scraper on it. Tires are all right, front and back. Probably have 3, 4, 5 more years on them. Got a new seat. It's got a 4-speed PTO. It's got super low, low, medium, and high gears, and 3 speeds. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3. It's 12 speeds forward. Low hours for such a large horsepower tractor is 1,450 hours. That's really low. Most tractors at 30 horsepower or so are probably 5,000 hours on them. It's got a brand new loader on it, joystick controller, 5-foot bucket. Look at the body, it's not bad. It's got a little bit of rust on the fenders, but it's surface rust. The rest of it's pretty good. It's got a broken top part of the grill right there. Everything else is good on it. Lights. See, Kumai, Mitsubishi. People say, well, why is it Kumai? Well, it's just like GMC and Chevy. You can buy a Chevy Silverado, a GMC Sierra, and it's an identical truck, built at the same factory and everything. Same thing with the Kumai and Mitsubishi. I don't know why they do that. It's obviously something financial, but anyhow, it's a Mitsubishi. So if you need to get parts for it, there's a whole bunch of part places, but if you just search Mitsubishi, you'll find it. Anyhow, it's been completely serviced, no oil leaks, 4-wheel drive. You see under there, it's real clean. Go ahead and start it up. Listen to that, smooth, no smoke. Horn works. This thing's obviously been well maintained. Nice tractor. This will do whatever you need to do. You can put a backhoe on it, you can post hole digger, box scraper, big harrow on it, put discs on it. It'll do anything you want. Anyhow, there it is. Mitsubishi MT2501D. If you want to see this tractor or any other tractors or implements we've got used tillers, we've got brand new box scrapers like that one there. We've got brand new post hole diggers. We'll be getting our brush hogs in here any day. 4-foot brush hogs. So if you want to see any of that, or this tractor, or other tractors we have, go to our website at ToughTractors.com, ToughTractors.com.